Start up on a V10 Audi R8 for you guys with the, what kind of exhaust is it?
Capristo.
Capristo exhaust. So loud. Oh my god. The V10 sounds way and then it quiets down. Perfect. Perfect. Quiets down perfectly. This car right here is $75,000 for a V10. Crazy. Alright guys, we're here at Godspeed today, and this is a car dealership located in like the Concord area. They have a massive amount of supercars here for a decently good price. If you guys are looking for your first supercar, I know I am. Don't tell my wife, but still, it's like, oh my gosh. So starting off, man, we got the BMW in red, beautiful spec. This car's not for sale, by the way. Then we have this C7 right here with this crazy wrap on it. Insane. Beautiful car. Warranty as is. Mirrors. This is a 2016 green Corvette. It's a Z06, by the way, in case you guys are wondering. With the manual transmission. Is it? Oh, can't open the door. But still, beige interior. Pretty sweet. Pretty cool, man. They have a lot of massive cars in here, and it's very, very insane. It's a museum full of exotics. In case you guys, I don't know if people really know about this place, but I learned about it through a friend because he came and got a car here. So that's why I'm here, and it's after Concord Cars Coffee. But what you guys think about the AMG? You know what I'm saying? Red seats right here. C06 startup. The Audi V10 with the Capristo exhaust. Round 2 startup for you guys. This already comes with the laser and stuff involved. For $75K. Did you guys buy this for $75K? Like I said, supercar shopping. I mean, it's a different breed. It's a different beast. You know what I'm saying? Well, look at that thing. Beautiful. Then we got the Aston Martin right here in white, next to the BMW right here. Like, tell me it ain't so. Beautiful cars, beautiful spec. There's more cars in here for you guys to see, so let's go check them out. Over the Jaguar F-Type be the move. Like, look at this titanium exhaust already on it. It's orange, stands out. You know what I'm saying? For this, can this be it? Maybe, you know what I'm saying? F-Type R? Maybe. I mean, there's supercar shopping is a lot harder for me because, you know, I don't know. The goal is to get a car below 100K. I know people's like, oh, that's possible, but also something I can afford. Also, I can afford to keep doing the maintenance on. That's why I'm looking at the R8s, maybe Corvettes, maybe let's see, what else is it? R8s, Corvettes, and I don't know my third ones yet, but they have all that here, and they also have, well, Mustang's not it, but they also have a Viper, and it's on my list too, a freaking Viper, dude. Manual go-kart on wheels with the RSX. So I already have the RSX. I have my Tacoma, which are two both like my dream car and truck. Then I also have a C7. This is red, but it's sold, manual gear shift. Beautiful car, beautiful spec, black wheels, big brakes. Got a Maserati right here, black, 2012. You know, emblem on it. And also should I join the BMW game? what I'm saying? This is an M3. M3, nice wheels on it. 4-seater. Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool place, man. Pretty cool people. You know, they'll let you come in, check out the car. And if you're interested in it, you know, talk to your bank, talk to them, sit down with finance. If the things look right and it's agreeable, you can do it. Also got this white R8. It's a convertible. They have a lot of convertibles here. I'm looking for a hard top mainly, but it's a beautiful car, beautiful spec, and they're all V10s. This is 2011 R8, all white, of course. The white hits different. The other one we saw was black. I mean, can this be one for the channel? Another C7 sold with warranty, automatic. You know, you got the Mercedes right here. It's a lot. I mean, it's a lot of cool cars here. I mean, even the Porsche Cayman right here. And just going through them and just walking through all these is beautiful. Jaguar right here. They have a McLaren, so I'm gonna go check out the McLaren for you guys and see what's going on. This one right here is cream of the crop right here. The new gen V10, they even wrapped around the marker, so the marker's deleted. This one right here is a 2020 with 22,000 miles on it. Please do not touch Axel's associate, of course. This is the cream of the crop, man. The orange trim, the seats, the new style. And then he also told me that a McLaren is like, you know, people's supercar to go to. What? How crazy it is to be owning a McLaren. Think about it. For a supercar, a McLaren, like, oh my gosh. Look at this. I would go ballistic in this thing. Like, what's the odds of like saying, oh, God, McLaren's the first supercar? You know what I'm saying? It's, look how wide it is. Ridiculously wide. The exhaust, beautiful. And of course, people say the doors go up, but should a McLaren be added to the channel? What first supercar should I get? Should I get my dream car, the Audi R8, since I keep raving about it, and do like a crazy build on it? Probably reasonable, probably something I can afford. Or you got the McLaren or the Audi. McLaren or Audi or Corvette. I might put a poll for you guys to vote down below. I'm gonna take a picture of all three or whatever and show you guys. But beautiful car, beautiful spec, and nice, very, very, very nice people. They'll let you come in here, look around, check them out. If you want to hear it start, that's cool. So definitely come check out Godspeed and tell you guys a little bit more about my decision in the truck. So we're gonna check out this McLaren right here, because it might be potential. I'm not saying it is. They also got another BMW in there, along with an MC20, and that car right there, Maserati. Good job. People say it was too overpriced, but you gotta understand what Maserati's coming through. And they got the GTR, I mean the AMG GTR right there beside it with the louvers. But it could be potential. R8 over there can be potential. Corvette can definitely be potential. It's just maintenance. And it's like talking to these guys, man, they're really nice guys. They'll talk to you, they'll take you through the whole process, and it's just like really having your ducks in a row. You can go through a federal credit union or a credit union, whatever you have. Go through them first, tell them you work with Godspeed, print out the buyer's order, and then you guys too can own a supercar. It's just about payment. It's just about doing the right moves at the right time. And this is, it's like it's kind of, ooh, well, you know, the flex doors, as you guys saw with the BMW i8 that I drove. A little bit more easier to get into. And this is a cold start on the McLaren. Oh yeah. Sounds good. Sounds like in the morning that you know, whenever you get into it. Look at the lights. Could this be a potential? I don't know. Don't tell my wife. She knows. She knows I'm in, like, looking at it, and I got bit by the supercar bug. But it's a beautiful car. What more can you say about it? Little front, put the hood down. Boom, easy. See, if you get something like this, you don't gotta take the top off and put it in the trunk and latch it. Just bam, easy. Car sounds beautiful. So what you guys think? Exactly. You can hear the turbo spool. Beautiful spec of the car. And like I said, I'm at God's Motors if you guys are interested in buying a car here, man. Really nice people. Definitely come here and ask for Eric. Eric's the man. He'll hook you up. He'll take you through the process. And these guys are no BS. They're really no BS. They literally have the cars all out here on display for you. And if it's sold, they'll put a for sale sign on it. And then they got SUVs over there. They got cars over here. Really nice separation. Nice ventilated AC. And all the cars are just, they're immaculate. They're beautiful, man. So, I mean, if you guys really need your first supercar, whatever the case may be, come to Godspeed. Check out Godspeed. Ask for my man Eric. And Eric will get you right. I can't put him on camera though, because, you know, he already told me what happened with that. But definitely come out, man. They got a nice showroom floor, foosball table, you know, MC20, the GTR spec, their BMW. You guys can even play pinball here, man. Like all these cars that you see right here, even this MC20, the camera don't do the cars no justice, I swear. Beautiful car, immaculate, 2023. The AMG GTR, carbon fiber with the louvers in it. Yellow, a perfect yellow. This car right here is insane. So definitely come through here, check it out if you guys want, and just know that they got your back when you're here, man. And we got an M8 right here. Is this paint? Looks like it's paint. Holy crap. Yeah, man, looks like it's paint. Nice polished, Godspeed on it. M8 competition, so you got the exhaust and everything on it. That's it, man. Until then, man, it's your boy Bruce signing out, man. Remember, guys, have a better one, have a better day. And maybe, while I come here and buy my first supercar, maybe, I don't know, I'm still on the hunt for one. But it's your boy Bruce, I'm out.